guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word ehto, or this is. When we first start studying Russian, our ehto sounds more like etta. This is because native English speakers tend to retract their tongue from its position at rest when they speak, anchoring it to their upper molars in the back of their mouths and allowing the tip of the tongue to move freely. In order to sound Russian, we must commit to learning and maintaining a new default mouth position. Jaw slightly more forward than when we speak English. Tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, anchored at the gum line as much as possible, and lips rounded and protruded. In this position, everything we say sounds instantly more Russian. Let's try it with our word. Джо танк липс. Ehto. 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 Tell your brain the O represents a schwa vowel and make sure to de-emphasize the last syllable. Here we go. Джо танк липс. Ehto. 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 Finally, if your vowel still sounds more like try giving it a schwa flavor by pulling the middle of your tongue down and back. Not etta with a high tongue, but джо танк липс. Ehto. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, like and share my videos, suggest a word on Instagram, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!